third part of this chapter 9. Within this part, we will do our quite interesting the car body. It looks like our racing car. So let's do this together. We will use the knowledge we learned in this 2D polygon to make this the irregular shape, even with a symmetry on this XL. But if you try to make this through a square, then cut by different shape, different square, that is very difficult. But within this new weapon, the tool of the polygon, it's easier for us to do this. So let's create our model first. Let me save to chapter part 3, 1, and then that is the body, racing car body. Like what we did in the last polygon, let's give the parameter first. Racing car body, give this a title, and we have this model parameters. So from the dimension is we have this D from the origin, D1 is the first 30, D2, second 20, D3, 20, D4, 10, D5, 20. And then we have the width on this dimension, with 1, 15, with 2, 45, with 3, 12, 25. Now we have this this old dimension, and we gave width. Width is this height. So height, let's see, 14. So we give that 14 now, and then this we put this car to do. So we have this 1 by 1. So we starting to have starting from this P0. P0, let's consider. So your car is on this XL. And the first edge is on the 0 of X. So you can consider this middle point is 0, 0. Then this point, we're starting from this direction. Then this point should be the 0 and the negative W1 divided by 2. So you can use this way, or you can just use this the circle. So let's define points. So P0. You can use P0 or you can use P1. So that is depending on you, because that is just the total 12 points. I starting from P1. So this is 0 minus W1 divided by 2. So no matter which way, just ensure you point to the point clearly. So P2, it will go to this one. So this one will be the D1 minus W1 divided by 2. So we just 1 by 1. So P3, this one is the X is D1 plus D2, and that is minus W2 divided by 2. D4 is D1 plus D2 plus D3, same as negative W2 divided by 2. So you can follow together with me to define your model's dimension. So that is the D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4. D5, and then back to minus W3 divided by 2. And then that's it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So D6 equal to this altogether. Actually, that's also W3. So then my plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the. So now we have these 4 parts. Then what we will do is we will have all points is equal to. We give this P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6 first. Then we will extrude for the profile. So first we make this polygon, so with points. Let's draw that. So you can see here, it's not back to the origin because your first point is already the 0 negative W 1 divided by 2. So the last point is connect to the second from last point. So that is your polygon. That is at least the shape is looks good. Then let's copy the second part. It's P7. Actually, you can consider P7 is here. So we can draw this P7. The last part is those Y is back to the negative, positive. So P8, P9, P10, P11, P12. And then we add this P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12. Then we have this. I just use some lazier way, so because I don't want to write down this again, but this one is just on the opposite location to P6. So that is good is for you, just changing those values from negative to positive. Then you have the linear extrude with the height equal to H1. Let's see our car body. So that is car body is already here. So we have this one. As mentioned previously, you can add additional variable to increase the readable. So variable is those things. We can also do like it's D3, D1 plus D2 to add more variable here. Then we don't need to write down here. So that is leave to you. So for example, is you can add this the 0.2x. So that means is D1 plus D2. Then you can have this replaced by the 0.2x. So, but that's I will leave to you to continue for that. What in our video is I will continue make this racing car body, with actual variable. So let's start to build our car. So that is this one save, and let's save to another one. Second. Yeah. So we have our car body. And then the distance to length is we have make those the perimeter in this one, but we continue use us. So then this can make the is shorter, but it's same. So and then to complete our car racing car. So let's put this car body. And then you will have another the file that to have. So this is a variable, and what we are going to do is we will build our racing car. So racing car is we have this into our number 3 racing car. And we will export this later on to our STL file. So first are all okay, and we should have this track to have this Excel track equal to 40. So that is one of our this perimeter, and in the beginning we should use our car file. So self vehicle parts.scad. So then let's just try to preview to verify your use is go to the correct file. So if I use here, so you can see if you didn't write down the correct file and path, you will get a warning. So that also a help is before you do further coding, ensure you load the correct script. And then after we have this, we already come to here. Then we made some the top. So we'll continue from here. Canopy is our sphere. That is starting from sphere is D is from the W2 divided by 2. So let's see what was that here. So we build our sphere. Then what we will do is first we will resize that. Resize this to a bigger one. So D2 plus D3 plus D4. W2 divided by 2. So this dimension you can customize. I just try to use this same as a sample. So we have this one. Now what we need to do is we need to move this to the correct location. So then we use the translate in these 3 dimensions. So we translate that to D1 plus D2 plus D3, but D3 is just a half, so it's not moved to the D3 all. Then this on Y not move anything. On Z is moved to the height of our body. So then let's have a look. And this now what was the part? Oh, I forgot the close parentheses. So that's perfect. I will add this smooth the perimeter later on to keep is quite running fast. And then I will not typing Excel and wheel again, because these are just the repeatable code. Just ensure is you load them then from the vehicle parts, then you can use this Excel and the simple wheel. So those are the let's save. Then you have your car here. And come to our vehicle parts. If you want to use some nice spokes wheel, let's see. So spoked wheel. Spoked wheel, but if you go to the spoked wheel, you should have different the perimeter filling. So then that is we will not testing that. So, but if I put spoked wheel, let me see. So just show you the arrow. Variable wheel width not specified as a perimeter. So let's give a wheel width. Let's say wheel width is 4. The wheel width not specified as let's see. So then for spoked wheel, then I think it's we don't need to give any perimeter. So, but depending on you, is I leave on this is because spoked wheel maybe it's not nice like this simple wheel for this the racing car. So, but that is your choice. So let's make this wheel number to 100. Then we make this smooth. And then if you want to render that, you can do because it's getting the complex for the model. It's may getting slower after rendering. You can make this STL the model file export. But for my model, actually it's the different wheel. So anyway, I will export that to Chapter9, and I can post those to Part3 to GitHub. And then we can view this in our GitHub here. Let me see. The racing car is already here. So let's open and make the zoom in here. So now you can see that is your modeled the racing car. So you can starting to use your own available parts in the vehicle file. Then you can start to change the looks and the feel of your car. But now it already looks nice, and we will have further the two parts to continue discuss some more view or method to use some mathematical way. See you later.